Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation, taking an old, rusty, and seemingly unusable gardening hoe and turning it into a practically new, efficient, and durable tool for your garden. As you can see, it's covered in dirt and rust, and the handle is completely broken, making it pretty much useless in its current state. My goal is to restore it and make it functional again. This wooden handle is sturdy, but it's too small to fit into the hose socket. This means I'll need to find a new handle solution. The first crucial step is to remove all this rust and grime from the hose blade. I'm using an angle grinder with a wire brush attachment. This helps to aggressively strip away the rust without damaging the underlying metal. It's important to get it as clean as possible so we can properly assess its condition and prepare it for sharpening. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. With the blade somewhat clean, I need a new handle. I've decided to use a sturdy PVC pipe, which is lightweight and very durable. Before I sharpen the edge, I'm taking a marker to draw a clear line along the cutting edge of the blade. This will give me a guide to ensure I sharpen it evenly and maintain the correct angle, which is essential for effective digging. I'm using an angle grinder with a flap disc to sharpen the blade. The flap disc is excellent for removing material quickly and creating a sharp, precise edge. This step is vital to give the hoe its cutting power back, making it efficient for cutting through soil and roots. As you can see, the new edge is already looking much better. I'm trying to fit the PVC pipe into the hose socket, but it's a bit too loose. To ensure a snug and secure fit, I'll use a short PVC connector piece. I'm carefully hammering this connector into the hose socket first. This will reduce the inner diameter, creating a tighter space for the new handle. To get the PVC pipe handle to fit perfectly, I'm heating the end of the pipe with a heat gun. Heating it causes the plastic to soften and slightly expand. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Once it's hot enough, I quickly insert it into the hose socket. As the plastic cools, it will contract, creating an incredibly tight and secure friction fit. This method ensures the handle won't wobble or come loose during heavy use, providing a strong and reliable connection. For even more stability, I'm driving a wooden wedge into the end of the PVC pipe within the hose socket. This expands the PVC from the inside, making connection even more robust. This traditional method, combined with the heat shrink fit, guarantees a rock-solid handle. Now, I'll use a small handsaw to carefully trim off the excess wooden wedge, making it flush with the hose socket. This gives a clean finish and ensures there are no protruding parts. To permanently secure the handle, I'm drilling a pilot hole through the hose socket and the PVC pipe. Then, I'll insert a screw and tighten it firmly. This screw acts as an additional mechanical fastener, preventing any rotation or detachment of the handle, making the tool extremely durable. Finally, I'm applying hot glue around the joint where the PVC pipe meets the hose socket. This not only adds another layer of adhesion, but also seals the gap, preventing water, dirt, and debris from getting inside. This step is crucial for protecting the internal connections and extending the life of our newly restored hoe. Now for an interesting addition. I'm taking a discarded plastic bottle and drilling a hole through its cap. Then, I'm cutting a section from the middle of the bottle. I'm threading a strong cable tie through the drill cap and forming a loop, which will be our convenient hanging mechanism. After securing the loop, I'll place the cut plastic bottle piece over the end of the PVC handle to create a super tight and ergonomic grip. I'm using the heat gun again to shrink the plastic bottle piece around the PVC pipe. As the plastic heats up, it conforms tightly to the shape of the pipe, creating a very comfortable and secure handle grip. This creates a functional grip and a simple way to store the tool. And there you have it, our incredible, transformed gardening hoe. From a rusty, broken tool found in the dirt, I've created a functional, durable, and comfortable hoe. Look how effortlessly it breaks up the soil. This DIY project proves that with a little creativity and effort, you can achieve amazing things and give old tools a brand new purpose. With the handy loop I added, it's also incredibly easy to store. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.